So dashing in white, we have Mr. Arman here with us. How are you this evening,
I'm
sir?
good. I'm very excited to be here on the SIMA red carpet. And I'm even more excited to go inside because I think my nomination is going to be
Announced anytime soon,
Yes.
and we're all rooting for you. Hope you win.
Thank you so
You know, the last 2 years have been really difficult in all of us.
Yes.
So we're just taking a small initiative to motivate all the young kids out there who probably want to meet Arman and have you as their role model. If you could tell us, when you were a little child, when you were a little master yourself, did you always want to become a singer? Was
I
music
always
always
wanted to. It was like my like top dream to become a singer.
Wow.
So ever since I was like 5 years old is when I decided I'll be a singer.
Wow, 5 years old.
Yes.
That's crazy. Not many people even know alphabets by then. But when you started out your career, who was your idol? Like, who did you want to become? Like, what was your goal?
So my biggest idol as a singer was Sonu Nigam.
Ah.
I'm a huge fan of his singing, him. And while growing up, I used to idolize him a lot.
Oh, lovely. And when you started out, who was like your first audience or your biggest support system when you started out? When you sang a song, who would you go run to and, like, you know, make them listen to it?
My Guruji actually.
Okay.
So whenever she used to give me some homework, go back home, learn this song.
Oh.
So next class, actually before the next class only, when I used to go back home, I used to call her, listen to this now, tell me how you like it.
Aww.
So she was my first audience, and obviously I sang for more and more competitions when I was older. So then I had a larger audience. Obviously at home, I have had my mom, dad, my brother, everyone listening to me.
Correct. And I'm sure all of them are excited to watch you right now. But we have another group of people who are even more excited and been dying to meet you, I must say. Can we have them on to the frame?
Sure.
Can we have the kids? Hi.
Hi guys.
Very big fan.
Hi. Come.
So, they are little masters right now, and I must say they've been having the toughest time during the pandemic. No schools, everything is happening virtually, but they take so much inspiration from idols like you. What would you like to share with them?
I just want to tell you guys that, as young budding musicians, the most important thing is to focus on your craft, what you're doing. Do you play an instrument or you sing?
I play an instrument.
Which instrument is that?
It's guitar.
Guitar? Okay. And you sing?
I play guitar.
Or you play the guitar?
I play guitar.
Okay, so I mean both of them play the guitar. I play the guitar as well. So I think it's amazing that you've chosen an instrument. I just hope that you continue to practice on it and be perfect, because that is what I strive to be as a musician.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
And if I may request you, I'm sure it'll make their day if you could just sing a few lines for them right now, and if they could listen to you perform
Which
live.
song do you want?
Buttabamma.
Okay. బుట్టబొమ్మ బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్టబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్టబొమ్మ బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్టబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే.
Lovely, ladies and gentlemen. The whole carpet paused for a while. That's the magic in Arman's voice. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Have a wonderful evening ahead.
Thanks a lot for having me here.
Thank you so much.